guys, I'm going to be showing you my animals. So here, her name is Shot Tree, and that one is Gibbs. And now I'm going to be showing you my tree house. And let me get started and let me go to it. I also have a tree stand out here, and we just now got started with it's my tree house. So this is my tree house. It got railings, and here's my ladder. And now I'm going to go down from it. So I'm going down. So I guess that is my little step stool. And now I'm going to show you. Yeah, now I'm going to show you my goats and chickens. Oh yeah. Also, while I'm here, what? Okay, do not want that on. So now I'm gonna show you mine. Now I'm gonna be showing you Now I'm going to be showing you my goats and my chickens. Oh, wow. So, okay, I don't think I can get him on YouTube. But there's my cutie guy, Rocky. And there's my Louie back there. And I don't know if you'll be able to see him, but he is Shorty. So, yeah. And as you can see, there's chickens in the background. And soon as my grandma gets up here, I'll be showing you. So really, I have 4 black chickens, and I don't know how many white ones I have, but I have a lot. I have like 14 something, I don't know. But pretty much. So, yep. Me go ask how many I have in all. Hey Grandma, how many chickens do I have in all?
You got 14.
You got 14 chickens in all. How many white chickens do we have?
9.
9 white chickens.
Say.
No. Get back. And so here is my goat place and my chicken place. All right here. It's no fair because they get a big section and I don't. No fair. And I have the smallest bedroom. Totally no fair. Because soon I'm going to get a turtle as a pet. So I should have my daddy's room, the second biggest bedroom, the whole entire house that I'm going to be taken care of. So, yep, it's going to be pretty sad that I won't be able to do that. Hi! And now I'm spraying the water and watering the grass so it stays clean and fresh. I got my phone wet. Okay, there's my pretty background. And as you can see, there is their cage. And that's what he usually does all day when we're out here. He usually tries to get through the gate so he can come in here. We never let this happen.
Rocky.
There's the rooster right here that's running around. And there's Shorty, if I can get a good picture of him.
Quit running me, please.
And now my grandma, I can't put her on YouTube, she says, but she allows me to be on YouTube. So, yep. And the last picture of the goats, there's Shorty. And bye. So, the question of the day is, what's your favorite animal that I showed you? We also have deers and bears. So, all chickens, the dogs, or the goats. Which one is your favorite? Oh yeah, I also forgot to show you something. I almost forgot. So here, as you can see, those are my 2 tractors right there. And I guess that's it. The question of the day is, what is your favorite thing that I showed you? Mine would probably be, Mine would probably be the goats. And bye, that's it for today. Please subscribe to my video, and bye.